Buckingham Palace! What an amazing adventure! Stop! Molly!
Sì?
Mi è parso di vedere mia cugina? No! She is not Molly! Charlie! We have to find Molly!
Look! Something is on the floor! What is this? What is it?
It's a royal dinner invitation for Molly.
What? A royal dinner? Molly is going to eat everything!
Excuse me, sir. Where did the little white dog go?
Hello? Sir, where is the royal dinner? His eyes moved! Mi aiuti a capire da che parte andare. Ce lo ha indicato con gli occhi. Right or left? Oh, to the left, thank you, where the golden side gate is.
Excuse me again?
When did she go inside?
2 minutes ago!
Only 2 minutes ago. She is right inside. Do you know why she rushed into the palace?
Why? Because she smelled the royal roast beef.
Oh no! Why is Molly so greedy?
We have to stop her before the king gets mad. Wait, can we just walk past the guards? Ora conosciamo le 4 Viene. What, cosa, where, dove, when, quando e why perché. Ti ricordi?
What? Where did the little...
When did she... Why did Molly... La nostra missione non è ancora finita. Molly è qui e la cena è quasi pronta. Seguici ancora.
Molly, wait for us! Here we come!